You may notice in Seesaw that I've added an assignment or an activity that says pixel art. So when you look at yours, it'll have your class name behind it. So if you were in Mrs. Weber's class, you would press on the picture, and when it shows up, this is what you have, and where it says click here, right underneath it, you're going to press on the square and choose the link. It's going to take you right into your Google Classroom, and you will have at the bottom, it's a little different than what's on mine, you will have a little arrow pointing up that you'll press, and you'll want to look for this green picture that shows a plus on it, and when I press it, it's going to show up like this. So here are some directions, and it goes according to what we just learned this week with pixel art. In the corner, there's a square with an arrow pointing out. That means send. And when I press on it, it's going to open it right into your sheets. So as you look at this, for green, it says A2. So I would press on A2, and you can see that the shape is highlighted. And I go right up to my paint can, and I'm going to choose a great color for green, and I'm going to set it in there. Now if this ever moves up like this, you just take your finger and drag it down. That's the same with if this ever moves on you, you just drag it down. So I'm going to go ahead and make this picture so you can see what it's going to look like. And remember, sometimes I can choose a cell and press on the blue circle to pull it out to make it go a little quicker. Okay, B1, C1, C4, D1, whoops, E2, remember we're making a wreath, E3, you might notice I pulled this little dot down and it still kept my color. So that's what we have for green. I'm just going to count them quick, 2, 4, 6, 8, and I colored in 8. Now I'm going to do red, so I'm going to go to B4, change it to red, B6, C5, B4. This is the bow. And we're making this wreath so it has a candle on it. So there's the candle. And the rest of it is all white. So at this point, I could take a screenshot by holding down the home and the power button together. And this sticker that we just made, this pixel art, could actually be placed in your sticker book as well. So here's my picture, and I'm going to crop it and save it to photos.